Hello everyone, this is Alex from Swoosh English. So thanks for watching my series of OET writing grammar mistakes videos. So I've done 3 so far and this is the 4th one today. I'm just here in London outside King's Cross station. It's a fantastic day, beautiful weather. I'm going to India tomorrow, so if any Indian nurses and doctors would like to meet me, I'm going to be in Mumbai and I'm also going to be in Kerala, so let me know where you're based in the comment section below. But today we're going to talk about a big mistake I see doctors and nurses making on our OET program, where we help them to pass unlimited review until they pass. So well, I say review kind of like the way Filipino nurses are review, but a preparation program. And if you want to know more details about that, make sure you ask me a question about it in the message box below. But today we're talking about articles, and a lot of doctors and nurses either use them incorrectly or they don't use them at all. Okay, so it's really important. So if we're talking about, for example, and the main ones that I see again and again making mistakes, and an. For example, if I was to use it in relation to OET, I would talk about, for example, maybe I might say Mr. Taylor had a persistent migraine. Okay, so we're introducing it. It could be any person having a migraine. It's not non-specific. But if I'm saying afterwards, if I say Mr. Taylor's the migraine, for example, the migraine was persistent. Okay, we're talking about that specific migraine. So it's really important to know the difference between the two. Of course, I just want to keep this video short today, so make sure you look online for more in-depth information if you're really confused about it. But I just wanted to bring that quickly up today, that you really need to address this. I see a lot of Middle Eastern doctors on our program who are making huge mistakes with articles, and as I've said in my previous videos, grammar relates to 20% of your overall score. So if you're looking to get that grade B, you really need to have the grammar absolutely, as high level as possible, because I don't want you to lose marks. If you have any questions about today's video, make sure you put it in the comment section below, and keep working hard, keep studying hard, because the rewards are here. If you come to London, I would love to meet you. So if you have any questions about today's video, make sure you put it in the comment section below. And if you want to download some of our free OET materials, make sure you go to swooshenglish.com.